The design and delivery of the Master of Commerce in Development Finance is underpinned by an ecosystem view of what development finance is. So to finance development, you may need new instrument. You may combine existing instrument to fit the profile of the development challenge that you're seeking to achieve.
In the workplace, in the professional environment, the status attached to that degree opens doors and is a credibility mark on one's professional qualifications in the work environment.
The Master of Commerce in Development Finance has been extremely valuable. The projects that we work on at East African Power are throughout the continent, and I found the networks that I built in the program have been important, in terms of developing myself professionally.
When you look at innovative finance, you really can't look at it without looking at sustainable development, sustainability, and also sustainable development goals, because ultimately it looks at how do you mobilize sustainable finance in such a way that it will meet the sustainable development goals.
We look at the development stakeholders, who are development stakeholders and funders, whose main role is the mobilization of finance resources and the design of financial instruments and assets to facilitate development at the household level, firm level, and the national government levels.
We start the course really with a focus on sustainable development and what it means for the African context. So we really look at the issues from a dynamic and systemic perspective.
And so I think that the sustainable development goals are fantastic because it gives us the target, it gives us things that we can really start to align with.
So to finance development, you may need new instruments. You may combine existing instruments to fit the profile of the development challenge that you're seeking to achieve. So the courses on this program are mainly designed to equip students with the ability to understand the investment strategies which are relevant for facilitating finance for development.
There's some things in life you don't know what you don't know. So walking into the course, I thought I knew some things and had the opportunity for that mindset to be expanded substantially through the access to different lecturers, the class and the cadre of individuals and professionals who come to the course.
You got lecturers that are bringing in real experience where you are able then to take the experience and apply it where you work or where you're going in terms of your career.
And so we have a mandate and we know what we are seeking to impart. But I am all for disrupting and flipping things around to really ask, I think, an even more profound question, which is why would a person come to the University of Cape Town's Graduate School of Business, and why would they want to sit in my class?
We try to not just approach this course from a theoretical standpoint, but really bring in a practical aspect.
Where we have a good balance between academics and also practitioners in the field of development finance who work with both private and public sector entities in the allocation of finance for development.
I found it very enjoyable, very current. The cohort that we were with had a wide range, so there was very rich experiences, among my classmates.
So really looking at how do the tools, the frameworks that we use materialize into impact, real world impact.